Blockchain networks are like online systems that let people make safe and open deals without needing a middleman. Each network has its own digital money that people use to make deals and get rewards for helping out. In this article, we'll talk about two examples, Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. What is a native coin? A native coin is the main digital money of a blockchain network. People use it to make deals and get rewards for helping out. Unlike regular money, native coins aren't made by a government. Instead, people can get them by mining or staking. You can buy and sell native coins on websites that trade digital money. Their price changes based on how many people want to buy or sell them. Native coins in blockchain. Ecosystems, native coins are super important for blockchain networks, especially for dApps. dApps are like apps that run on blockchain networks and let you do all sorts of things like send money, play games, and use social media. For example, on Ethereum, you use the native coin ETH to pay for fees and use dApps. On Binance Smart Chain, you use the native coin BNB for fees and dApps too. dApps are getting more popular, so more people want native coins. This can make the price go up. But if fewer people use dApps, the price can go down. Some people think of the biggest native coins like BTC, ETH, BNB, and ADA as the most important ones. So if you trade other digital money on a blockchain network, it's good to know how their native coin is doing.